are pleased to show you the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, heated front seats, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.